In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Hostinger invoice. If you need a copy of an invoice for your records, accounting, or reimbursement purposes, Hostinger makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find the right section and download the invoice you need without any confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're using the correct account where the purchase was originally made, especially if you manage more than one hosting account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so all menu options are visible. After that, go to your Profile section. This is usually where your account settings, personal details, and billing-related options are grouped together. Clicking on your profile will open the area where you can manage information connected to your account, including payment and invoice details. From the profile area, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger stores your payment-related information, including transaction history, subscriptions, and invoices. If you've made more than one payment, this page will help you narrow down exactly which transaction you want to review. Next, click on Payment History. Here, you'll see a list of your completed payments. Take your time to find the specific payment connected to the invoice you want to download. This is especially helpful if you've renewed services multiple times or purchased different hosting products. Once you locate the correct payment, click on that specific entry. Opening the individual payment record will usually show more detailed information, including the amount paid, the date, and the billing reference. In that same area, you should see the option to download the invoice. Click Download Invoice, and the file should be saved to your device, usually as a PDF. After downloading, it's a good idea to open the file right away to make sure it downloaded correctly and contains the information you need. You can then save it in your records, print it, or send it wherever required. If you don't immediately see the download option, double-check that you opened the exact payment entry and not just the general billing overview. Also, make sure the page is fully loaded before trying again. That's it. Once you go to your Hostinger account, open your profile, enter Billing, choose Payment History, select the specific payment, and download the invoice. You'll have your document ready in just a few moments.